Hi, this is Chris Harrell. We're going to be doing a quick video on how to do a do loop. I've got my information right here. It's just a quick little table. How many hours people work, their wage, what their pay would be. This actually should be pay. How funny. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick little do loop. I already got my code open, so I'm going to go ahead and head over here. This is the back end. You can hit Alt F11, that'll get you here. It opens up the back end of Excel. We're going to go and add a module. That's where you put in your code. We're going to call this the do loop. That's going to be the name of our sub. To do a loop, you've got to declare a variable. Basically it runs a little if statement. If it's true, it will continue to go through the loop. If it's not true, it will stop and exit. So here's our do. Here's the while. I'm going to do it while cells RW, comma 1, which the first time this goes through, RW is equal to range A1. And we're going to make it not equal to blank, which basically means we're going to run a little loop down column 1 from column A to until it's blank. And now we have to put in RW equals RW plus 1. If you don't, you'll end up with a little infinite loop. We're actually going to go, we're going to go cells RW column 5 is equal to cells RW comma 1, which basically just we're going to be moving that over. So we're going to go ahead and step in, which is F8, and the cells right there. I'm going to show you what we just did there. Come back over here. You'll notice that name showed up right there. Now as we run through this loop, all it's going to do is it's going to put Chris right here, Rob, Sarah, Jeff, Cindy, Fran, etc. So I'm going to go back to my code. I'm just going to go through F8 again. We're going to go a couple times through here, and I'm just hitting F8 each time. Let's go ahead and look and see what we've done here. You'll notice that basically you're just filling that down. We're going to go back, and I'm going to go ahead and hit F5, which is going to run us through the rest of this code. It's going to populate that whole section. Notice that it just all we did was we copied from one to the other. I want to show you something real quick on this. So let's say we take a blank here, make this blank. I'm going to go ahead and clear this out right here, and I'll show you kind of one of the things of the way that we've written this. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. I'm actually going to go into my view macros. I'm going to run this macro, which is the do loop. Let me scoot it over here. I'm going to run the do loop. Notice it stops right there, because basically the loop goes, is this blank? No. Is this blank? And it goes row to row, finds out that that one's blank, and then it stops. So that's a quick little video on how to do a do loop.